All right, tow family, we are going to use the Collins Auto Carrier Dolly to put my 900-pound motorcycle on the back of this flatbed. This is your bar to flip everything over. I got my straps, the ramp to get you on the bed, and this is the pieces that you attached the straps to and the cable to pull it up on the truck. So let's do this. Pulling our pin, adjusting this. That looks about right. Put our pin in. So we're gonna flip the front up. All right. So now, when you flip the back up, if you notice, this hits that. So some bikes have speakers there, some bikes have crash bars. So I reached out to them. They said it's not necessary to lift the back up. So show them that there's ground clearance underneath there. So no need to obviously have to pick up back of the bike with with that. So we're gonna set up our straps. This goes in there like that. I don't use the 1-inch straps. I don't trust them. I like the good fat 2-inch BA straps. More for the ratcheting mechanism than anything else, because the straps will hold the weight, I assure you. But I like that big ratchet. It makes me feel a little more secure. Come to that like that. Come up here. I've got some pretty good tension on this. This is a 900-pound motorcycle. I'm rocking it pretty good. I've never used this before. They asked me to try it out to give my opinion. So far, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. We're going to keep going with it. It isn't going nowhere. All right. We're just going to pull it up on the truck, see what happens. That's where your winch cable goes. And this is the ramp you use for the transition. Let's fire this thing up and wheel this thing up there, sir. We got the cable tight. We're at the ramp. We're gonna pull the bike up. I like the little transition board, especially if you had a big fat lip on the bed. All right, it came up on the bed nice, man. It's still pretty good. Before I would tow this down the road, I would actually secure the bike to the bed. So let's do that real quick and show you what it looks like. Now the bike is on the bed. We're got this, but thanks to Brandon on the move, look how he utilized the 8-point tie down. The bone through the wheel, the grab hooks up front, and then we'll show you how he did it, but we're gonna do it on the back wheel to keep the back pulled away. This bed is nice and clean, and this is the one situation that sometimes you do have to get on the bed. We'll pass it through the back wheel. Run the chain through the bone with the bone in there. I wish I'd have thought of that.
We use BA products.
Yeah, we only use BA products, my friend. You can never over-secure somebody's nice property. A new use for the through-the-wheel strap. Secure it like that to give it a little more stability. Now, we have the back secured, the front secured, keeping tension on both ends. This is keeping the bike upright. These two are going to the fairing frame. The bike isn't going anywhere. Let's give it a little test jiggle. Now I'm comfortable letting my motorcycle ride down the road on this. You can never over-secure somebody's property. So, all right, let's do this. And here we are going down the road. It has the Collins Auto Carrier Motorcycle Dolly strapped down with nothing but the best BA product straps. So you know, if I'm willing to let my motorcycle roll around town on this thing, it can't be all bad. All right, once again, we're driving through the crappy roads in Drew Park, a little bumpy, which is kind of what we want. That thing's on there pretty darn stable. I love the old 8-point tie down for the front and back tire. That's perfect. This is some seriously crappy roads. So we're back from our trip. The bike made it safely thanks to the Collins Carrier Dolly and all these wonderful BA straps. Super confident once we strapped it down. I will say I wasn't real sure about it until we got it strapped. Once we had it strapped and I realized how secure this thing was, then I was no longer worried anymore. But at the beginning I was a wee bit worried. Now we're gonna unload this bad boy. I was a little concerned in the beginning, but now after using it and securing it, this thing is pretty cool. Now we'll undo the winch. Let's roll it off the rest of the way. I'm gonna release this side first so it leans to the kickstand. That is the Collins Auto Carrier Dolly for the motorcycle. In the beginning, I wasn't real sure. Took it around. Once you strapped it down and stabilized it, no worries in the world. I think I really like this thing. You just gotta train with it. Just don't go use it and think you're gonna be great with it the first time you've ever used it. Just like any other piece of equipment. Use it, learn how to use it, and then it'll make you money. Thank you. Slow down, move over. It's law. You'll save a life. Like, follow, and share more content like this from JB Tow.